Creators, let's set aside the confusion and dive right in. Content writing today is evolving, and artificial intelligence is here to boost your creativity with efficiency and precision. Imagine having a smart assistant that filters through endless research, sparks fresh ideas, and even polishes your words so you can focus on crafting stories that captivate your audience. Our AI for Content Writers courses at Complete AI Training take you step by step through proven techniques that simplify AI concepts into practical, real-world strategies. Whether you're new to the digital era or looking for fresh ways to enhance your work, you'll discover how to reimagine your creative process and produce content that stands out. This course isn't about replacing your talent. It's about working smarter, overcoming writer's block, and accelerating your workflow. Each lesson is designed to show you how to harness AI for generating compelling ideas, refining your style, and keeping your work relevant as trends shift. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. With hands-on guidance, interactive exercises, and updated resources, these courses provide a clear roadmap to mastering AI tools that complement your writing. Experience the blend of art and science that elevates your content to a new level. Visit CompleteAItraining.com to find all AI for Content Writers training courses and start your journey toward creative excellence.